Do you really want to know on how you can be able to trade and get massive profits on forex market on day-to-day basis? If your answer is yes, then let it be known to you that I do offer a limited chance of a one-to-one mentorship program for a period of a whole month and a Signal group of calls where you too can be able to trade and enter into these perfect trades and grow your FX account just like a pro. If you'll be interested, then please find my WhatsApp number in the description below and text me. On today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can do a live volatility 75 index analysis by using just your smartphone, and I really do hope that you'll both enjoy and learn a lot from this video. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for still being with me in this video. So we are going to start our analysis on VIX 75 index as follows. Before anything else, it is always important to make sure that you know the current market bias for the pair that you will be trading, yes? And by observing volatility 75 index right now, I find that it was previously on an uptrend. Yes, you heard me correctly. I say it was previously on an uptrend, meaning that it is no longer on an uptrend movement, right? But you as an intelligent guy may question the said statement and ask, why are you saying that this trend, the uptrend, is no longer there? And as usual, my answer remains the same, as it 100% depends on your definition of a trend ending. As I have many friends who use just trend lines as their guide to know if the trend is still there or not. But from my own definition that I have been able to stick with it for many years now is that for an uptrend market to be termed as broken, then the previous higher low of that trend has to break. And by looking closely at the charts, I'm sure it can be seen clearly that this previous higher low has been broken, yes? So what do we do if the trend is broken? The answer is simple. We just first need to change that buying mindset that we had and shift automatically to that selling mindset ASAP. So since we are already anticipating for a downside movement, it is very important to know how the downtrend market moves so that we may be able to join the movement by having proper sniper or just perfect entries. Now since the market has already formed a lower high, then what's next is to wait for the market to retest to the lower low or previous broken level before continuing to the downside movement. And by looking closely at my charts, I see that the market is on retest to the broken level already. So what we do is to first define the risk at hand. And it is very important since it will make you be able to see if you are comfortable with losing an X amount in case the market decides to go against your prediction. Hence, having said that, already, let me mark the potential area that would be my stop loss in case the market just decides to go against me. Now since I've already calculated the risk and I'm comfortable with losing the said risk if the trade goes against me, and all of my conferences have been met, I then decide to enter my trades as follows. And before I forget, this important factor that did also make me enter into these trades are these weak rejections. I'm sure you can see how clear these weak rejections are. Remember this, I have always said in all of my videos, always make sure the broken level that is being retested should review with proper weak rejection or rejections, and that's it. Why? Because these weak rejections show the exhaustions of the current traders.
This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
And before we give ourselves some time and see how the trade plays out, I think I should tell you something called the trading age. In finding your trading age, you will come to know that you can never know for sure the outcome of one particular trade. Never. But what you can know is the outcome of the same 1,000 trades. Hence, never forget that trading is a game of probability. You just have to know how to play out your cards well. So take this time and observe for yourself how the trade plays out. Ladies and gentlemen, I truly hope that you have both enjoyed and learned a lot from this simple price action video. Please take this time to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon on to be the first to view any of my future uploads. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.